I'm Revonda Morse. I'm in North Carolina. My business started about 10 years ago due to my aging parent at the time, my father, a 60-year smoker. So I found out about a company that offers the best water. So like when someone's sick, the first thing you do, you go to the hospital, they put you on IV. Your acidosis, the older you get, we're on that, but we can slow that down. We can change that. So I got that from my dad. I didn't want any regrets to do, but each person has to do their own part, right? But we started sharing it with my mom, my family, neighbors. The warm market, it just kind of grew. And about 3 years later, I was able to walk away from corporate. I was about 46, 47 at the time, which was amazing. I grew teams on several states, and then I had an accident, and I did not learn how to duplicate myself. Just like Eric Worre says, go pro, right? So you got to turn your hobby and get business and go pro. So I didn't know what to do or how to do that. And then the accident setback, and then here comes COVID. So there's a setback. So now you hit your ceiling, you've got to go for product that everyone needs. But I realize my avatar, middle-aged, we all have aging parents, and then ourselves. So now I'm 54. I'm on no medications. It's the best water in the world, superior hydration. So everyone needs, but every home office, it creates 7 different types of water. They're all miraculous. And then about 3 years ago, I had a hip injury. And some of you probably heard Lifeway's really booming, the X39 stem cell activation patch. You don't have to have stem cell cadaver anymore, which costs thousands of dollars. You can have a 3 or 4 little pill patch, light therapy, phototherapy that really helps recover injury fast, and the pain relief. So my avatar for that would be sports, gym, anyone aging that has injury. It's great to have in your first aid kit. Really changed my life, these 2 products. So what I like to ask people, 5 years from now, where your health is today, where are you going to be in 5 years? So you got to make some changes, or you're not going to have the impact that you need. So I'd love to reach out. I'll put my link in again, and I'd love to get to know all of you and see how we can help one another. So thanks again.